Let me ask you a quick question. What if the real secret to hitting six figures in 2026 isn't another side hustle, crypto tip, or manifestation trick? What if it's actually the most boring, unsexy stuff you've ever heard? Stuff so ordinary that most people scroll right past it. Stick around, because these 10 simple habits might be the ones that finally move the needle for you. Look at your life right now. You're grinding. Maybe a 9 to 5, maybe freelancing, maybe running a small business, paycheck hits, bills eat most of it, and somehow the balance never grows. Sound familiar? You keep telling yourself, this year I'll get serious about money. But months fly by, and you're still stuck in the same loop. Here's the hard truth no one likes to say out loud. It's not that you're lazy. It's not even that you don't earn enough. It's that you're repeating the wrong daily actions. Real wealth in 2026 isn't built on viral moments or lucky breaks. It's built on tiny, boring habits you do, even when no one is watching. And the best part, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Picture two people starting January 1st, 2026, same age, same starting income, same city. Person A chases every exciting new trend, new courses, new gadgets, new opportunities. Person B chooses the boring path, small daily disciplines. Fast forward to December 31st, 2026. Person A is still stressed about money, checking their balance before every purchase. Person B, they've quietly stacked serious progress, maybe even crossed $100,000 net worth or income milestone, without feeling like they sacrificed everything. The crazy thing? Neither needed a huge salary jump or rich parents. They just needed different habits. Most people avoid the boring route because it doesn't give instant dopamine, but that avoidance is exactly what keeps them stuck. Today, I'm breaking down 10 unsexy habits that actually compound into real money. These aren't flashy. They won't make you feel motivated for 24 hours and then fade. But if you install even 5 to 6 of them starting this week, you'll look back at the end of 2026 and say, I actually did something different. Let's dive in. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. Every single time money comes in, most people get paid and immediately start spending. Bills, food, fun, subscriptions, whatever is left, if anything, goes to savings. Flip the script. The moment money hits your account, whether salary, freelance payment, or side gig, transfer 10 to 20%, start small if you have to, straight into a separate savings or investment account. Call it your future me fund. This isn't about the amount at first. It's about training your brain that you are someone who builds wealth before you consume. Over a year, that small percentage can become life-changing when it compounds. Habit 2. Track every dollar for 30 days straight. This one feels painful at the beginning. Download a simple app or just use a notebook/Google Sheet. Log every single expense for one full month. Even the $5 Starbucks run, you'll be shocked where your money actually disappears. Awareness is power. Once you see the leaks, plugging them becomes automatic. Most people who hit big financial goals say tracking was the wake-up call that changed everything. Habit 3. Automate your money like a robot. Motivation is unreliable. It disappears on tough days. Systems don't. Set up automatic transfers the day you get paid. Savings investments, index funds, mutual funds, or whatever fits your risk level, even bill payments. Once it's automated, you set it and forget it. Discipline becomes optional. This single habit has helped thousands quietly build wealth without feeling deprived. Habit 4. Wait 48 to 72 hours before any non-essential purchase. Next time you feel the urge to buy something over $30, add it to a wait list and revisit it after 2 to 3 days. 90% of the time, the desire fades. It was just a temporary dopamine hit. This tiny pause protects your money from impulse and teaches patience, one of the biggest separators between people who stay broke and those who build wealth. Habit 5. Spend 20 to 30 minutes a day learning a high-income skill. In 2026, skills beat degrees in many cases. Pick one money-making skill: copywriting, video editing, sales calls, AI prompting. digital marketing or freelancing on Upwork and learn it daily, even if just 20 minutes. Free resources are everywhere. YouTube, free courses, practice projects. The compound effect is insane. In 6 to 12 months, that skill can add thousands to your income without needing a new job. Habit 6. Fight lifestyle inflation. You get a raise or a big client payment, and suddenly the lifestyle upgrades. Latest iPhone, eating out more, newer clothes. Stop. Keep your living expenses roughly the same as before. Let the extra money go towards savings or investments instead. Wealth isn't measured by how much you earn. It's measured by how much you keep and grow. Habit 7. Curate your inner circle. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your friends only talk about spending, complaining about money, or get-rich-quick schemes, it rubs off. Start spending more time, even online, around people who talk about saving, investing, and building. Join communities, listen to podcasts, or find one accountability partner who's serious about money. Your mindset will shift naturally. Habit 8. Consume 10 to 15 pages of financial or skill-building content daily. Doesn't have to be heavy books. 10 pages a day equals roughly 12 to 15 books per year. Read or listen about money, psychology, investing, or your chosen skill. Knowledge compounds exactly like interest. Small daily input creates massive long-term advantage. Habit 9. Ask, build, or consume before every extra dollar. Whenever you have extra money, bonus, refund, side income, pause and ask, can this buy an asset or create something that makes more money later? Or is it just consumption? Prioritize building. Tools for your skill, courses, investments, even a simple side project over immediate spending. This single question separates consumers from creators. Habit 10. Think in 3 to 5 year timeframes, not days or weeks. Most people ask, what can I buy or enjoy this month? Wealthy thinkers ask, if I keep doing these habits for the next 3 to 5 years, where will I be? That long-term lens makes the daily boring stuff feel meaningful. It turns patience into your biggest superpower. None of these habits are sexy, none will go viral on social media, and none will make you rich overnight. But that's exactly why they work. While everyone else chases the next shiny strategy and burns out, you'll be quietly stacking progress day after day. By the end of 2026, you could look back and feel proud. Or you could be in the exact same place, wondering why nothing changed. The difference starts with one decision. Pick just 2 to 3 of these habits and start today. Not tomorrow, not after the weekend. Today, drop a comment. Which habit are you committing to first? And if you want a free, simple tracker sheet for these habits, let me know. I'll pin the link. Time is going to pass anyway. Make sure it works for you, not against you. See you in the next one, and remember, boring wins.